Hello again. I believe that this is a 16-inch round and worth sacrificing just because I've learned a few things since I did this. And although I like it, I have a picture of it, so I'm all set. I'm almost ready to add some more white paint to my jug. This is just Walmart white semi-gloss. Can't seem to find the middle of things to save my life. Just gonna keep going and trying to imagine I'm in the center. I'm not gonna worry too much about going over everything because I don't mind when I leave something in the background. I am going to do what I did not do in my last attempt. Is that a thing in there? That better not be a thing in there. Looked like a thing in there. Can't be too careful with things in there. I'm going to squeeze some of my Meeden black into a shovel. And use it, maybe even scrape it out with a Princeton Artil Catalyst spatula so as to not waste any. And then throw that in the bucket. There's a little waste, not a lot. I like the idea of black and white though. So I'm going to try and use the loudest colors I can. Starting with what I keep being called to is some orange today, and I don't know why, but I'm just going to do it. And some folk art neon pink. And what's left of, oh, it's almost gone. My folk art color shifting purple. It has some bubbles in it. And then the electric blue. I gotta be a little careful. I'm not sure I'm level because there might be paint residual in the bottom of this. That's the electric blue from Arteza. And I wanted some of, can I have it? What used to be Sergeant Yellow with some unicorn spit, which is a wood conditioner stain. Excuse me, not conditioner, just stain. And it seems like it plugged up on me. I'm going to call this Mango from now on instead of what I was calling it, which was Velveeta. I'd really like to see the light at the end of that tunnel. I'm not sure about this combination yet. Yeah, it's not completely unplugged yet. And I seldom, if ever, want to do these without some gold. And I kind of want to spread it out a little bit. Probably should have started with the black. And I was looking for a comb earlier, but it occurs to me that I don't really need a comb. If I need wider teeth than that. So what am I going to use for that? Wider teeth. Maybe just a skewer, or maybe just my fork. And I will still be putting some cell activator in there. put a little more black in there actually. Not that it should make any difference because the cell activator is coming right up. Now I could use this, or I could use this. This is for cutting pies. I'm sort of hooked on using my little acetate tools. With the Amsterdam black added to the Aussie Floetrol and the Amsterdam white. I'm not convinced that I'm not going to want some more orange there. So I'm just going to put it in. And scrape it off and put it in the bucket. And I'm really tempted to go ahead and blow into that a little bit also because I found a straw without spit in it. Yay! Getting some great cells in here. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of purple cell activator right there. Bring up the orange. Cool. Question is, what's going to happen when I tip this? And you know me, I want to use an edge catcher every chance I get. And I don't really want to lose any paint colors, which is a kind of a prerequisite with this. I think I'm going to go ahead and drag some of this right to the edge because I can. That one I'm going to clean off because I want just white. I almost got there. I'm getting closer. I just want to blow it into place. I see something that does not belong. Or I did for a moment. Yes, I do. Paint chip, or what have you. I know I could probably put some black paint around the edge, and I'm kind of inclined to do so. I thought I was going to have more negative space than I've got. But I'm not complaining yet either. It seems to be covering pretty well. I'm not losing too many of my colors, and I'm loving them. They're just what I wanted. I could certainly put more things around the edge if I wanted to. Just blowing that white right over the edge instead of tipping it. There we go. That's better than what I had. I like it. I didn't really wreck it as much as I was anticipating. So what do I want to do? Do I want to wreck anything? Or do I just want to blow into it and see what happens? kind of like that. I'm not unhappy with any of that. I do think I could probably steal a little bit of paint from right here underneath. Oh, and I just did the cardinal sin of dragging my paint tool right over the top. And now I'm going to try and camouflage it because I don't like those little strings. So I'm just poking at that. I'd rather have a line that's not white if I have to have a line at all. All kinds of colors being revealed. And I'm loving that. I am getting used to learning just how much paint to use to put down to swipe. And I don't think I've quite got it 100% yet. I'm probably wasting a little bit. See, this time I pulled it around. Yay! I still want to wreck it. How strange is that? It's a funny term somebody made up, wreck. Because it's really not wrecking at all. It's just elaborating. Well, I hope it's not wrecking anyway. I have to trust myself. Which is not always as easy as you might think. That one was kind of different. Seems like there's some black hiding in there. But I love stripes, so I should be okay. And I didn't use any heat, so whatever's setting up should be slow. That makes me think I could actually draw designs in this. And I like the idea of doing that. I'm still happy with the improvement of this over the other. Oh, I've got some paint showing and it doesn't seem to bother me a bit. Because it's gold paint. So I'm not going to worry, I'm just going to let it be. Okay, so I love you guys. I have over 2,200 videos. They're organized by topic, genre, by the 100. If you need a link for anything, just ask me. I have them all organized. I will try and remember to put my little tool video, instruction video, underneath the video. If I have paint to touch up my edges, if I need some touch up, it's already painted, so it probably doesn't need much touch up. But I'm very pleased with that. I like that a lot. I'll get better at these. I will. I'm going to go find myself a wide tooth comb instead of my 3. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying don't forget to check out my website. It's on the link tree. The link tree is under the video right near the Amazon link, or if you shop there it's at no cost to you and it helps me out. If you are interested in helping support the production of videos at the studio and enter yourself into the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes that are being offered at the beginning of the exhibition video that is included on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. And you can get in automatically by making a donation through PayPal, and that icon is both in on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the link is on my link tree. On my link tree also Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for people who want to see the albums of YouTube artworks from way back when all the way up to today, with big gaps. Someday I might be done, but I'm not done yet. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for leaving me comments that keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate that. And thank you so much for all the donations. I get maybe 15 people at the most who join the monthly drawing, and it helps just enough to buy me some art supplies. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. They're private, one-on-one, 4-hour lessons. You can inquire using my email address right below the link tree. And if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, you can do so. You can inquire using that email also. Including the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video is really helpful. So you should know that is a really good idea. My community board on my YouTube channel has tomorrow's video. My community board also has my playlists, and if you want to find anything among the 2,200 videos, go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and like I said, they're separated by topic and genre and by the 100. If I didn't, I am now. Thank you again for everything. I love you guys. I post 7 days a week, and right now it's 9:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern Standard Time and 11:45 p.m. That can change. It may not be true at the time you watch this because it's time sensitive. My paint pouring recipe, by the way, is below the video, and so is my cell activator recipe. If it's not there, tell me, and if you have any questions, please just ask me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I have incredibly beautiful clothing from Le Gallerist, a Montreal fashion design firm, and it's high-end, and it's investment quality, and it's the top link on the link tree, so go check it out. And if you want to spend less money and still get cool stuff, look for spring clothing underneath the video, and they have all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and more. And last but not least, it's Fine Art America on pixels.com. You can find those links on my link tree, and anything that you can't find already added to anywhere, like pixels.com, Fine Art America specifically, or Spring, I can add that. So you have just to ask. Whatever I can tell you guys, I will. If I don't know the answer, I'll tell you I don't, and I'll try and hook you up with somebody who can tell you. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery out. I might have to fiddle with that one little part in the middle. Bye for now. See you and on.